Hi, today we are going to talk about how to propagate SANSEVIERIA. It's also very often called a snake plant, and you can see here some of the examples. You can also see that the leaves of the plants are not always healthy. It's very important that for propagation you will only select the very healthy leaves. Just cut them near to the base, like this. When cutting your leaves, it's very important always to know what is the bottom part of the leaf and what is the top part. Because if you try to grow it upside down, it will never grow and will never produce roots. So be extremely careful about this. Once you have your leaves, you have to cut the bottom part of each leaf with a very sharp knife. You don't need big leaves, so you can cut it into about 10, 15, 20 centimeters pieces, so that from one leaf you can produce more small plants. In this situation, every leaf was already cut into 2 pieces and then into 2 more. So from 2 leaves, I will eventually get 8 new plants. It's very important to have a good sharp knife to cut your leaves. That's why I'm not recommending to use a secateurs or anything else that might not produce a good cut on long leaves of SANSEVIERIA. Yeah, that was not a great video recording, and I hope I will not mess the tops and bottoms of my leaves. I actually did. That's why please be careful and see how not to do. Once done, you don't put it in the water yet. You wait about 1-2 days in order for it to dry a little, and only after this you put it in water and wait for a few days or weeks in order to get roots. Once you see there are roots, small roots, or sometimes even little small plants that starts growing, you can put it into soil. In order to plant, just use usual succulent soil, and in a few more weeks or sometime months, depends on the conditions that you have, you will see a small little babies popping up next to each of the leaf, like you see right now on the pictures. You can remove old leaves, or you can still keep them until they die off themselves. It is really that easy. You just need a little of patience, and just in a few months you will have a collection of new beautiful plants. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my videos. Bye!